Hello Nordangus students and welcome to tutorial 5 of our programming using Kodu series. And in this one we're going to look at creating a Catch Me If You Can game. So we're going to explore interactivity in game development. So let's have a go straight in at Kodu. And we're going to create a new world for this. I'm going to add some ground on here just to make this a bit bigger. And I'm now going to create a path. And we're going to have this path going around the screen. So we're going to have this, we're going to have quite a, we're going to have it going in lots and lots of different places around here. So these characters will be able to move. Like so, there we go. At some point I need to find the end. As we're going around. Perfect, let's attach onto that one and escape. So I've now got a path that's going around for my enemy and I'm going to add some objects on here. So we're going to add 3 objects. I'm going to add 3 Kodus on here and I'll have them as 3 different colors like so. And if we go over, I can change the colors. So we'll change one to orange, one to green, and let's have this one as purple. And we'll just move them around a bit. There we are. So they're spread around. And I'm going to program them to follow the path. So I'm going to say when, more, always, I want to do move on path and path color, and it'll be white. So I want them to follow the path as soon as it starts. I want them to move on the path when it's white. So I press escape and I do the same with each one just to make sure this works. So I move on path white and I do the same again with this one like so. And we'll get another one here and we'll say move on path and we'll say white. And if I, oh, that didn't work. There we go on white. And if I press play, now they should just be randomly moving around the screen. We can have them going faster if we want. So we've got these characters moving on the screen. We're going to stop there. They're back where they were. Now we want to have our own character that's moving around. So let's go to the object and we're going to put our own object on here. And let's have a cycle. And this time we're going to control him with a keyboard and with the arrow keys. And when we click on the arrow keys, what do we want to do with that? Well, we want it to move around. We're not going to change the quickly, so we'll leave it at that. And let's just add some program here is that when he gets bumped with one of the characters, so we want to say when he gets bumped with Kodu, we can say if it's a different color, we've got 3 different colors, but in this case, it doesn't matter. We'll just say when he's bumped with Kodu, then I want the game to end. Okay, so let's test that out. So I'm going to try and run around the screen here. There we are. And I'm racing around, doing well here, and game over. So I've ended the game. Now, though, we want to have him trying to find something. I can even make it so that these characters can be chasing after him. We'll show you how to do that. So then, let's say he wants to find something. Let's add a new object onto the screen And let's add more objects. Let's see if I can find some coins on here. There we go. I've got a coin here, and we'll move the coin here. Okay, so now we've got our coin on the map. Oops. We can then program the Kodu for when we want to find it. Interestingly, I've lost my coin. There we go. It's over here. So I can just find it and I can move it again. By using the hand, it helps us to find things, which is good. So let's just move this back over to here. It's because there's lots and lots of these wires. So let's go back to our character and we'll program this again. We want our character, there we go, here. And this time, when we say when it's bumped to our coin, our objects, so we're looking for our coin, I think it's in the more, and coin, there we go. We want the game to win, like so. So if I play this now, I can then chase around. And I can get my coin. It's not, the only problem is that actually, I can either win or I can lose. So it's, if I'm caught, I lose. If I catch the coin, I win, which is great. If I want, I can maybe have another code on the screen that will actually follow me. So for example, I can add an object and I can then add a balloon on here. And we can then program this to try and follow me. So when I see the my little cycle, then I want it to move towards so I want it to move towards me, okay, and very quickly, let's see if this works. There we are. Oh, and I'm wondering, the only thing is, I think it is following me. There we are. It is following me. The only problem is a balloon is in the air. And it's not quite going to catch us. So balloon's good. We want something better than a balloon. So let's cut the balloon and we'll try something different. Let's try something on land this time. Balloon was good, but let's try something on land. So octopus, I think an octopus might be better this time. When it sees the Kodu, of course, I want it to move towards it. I want it to be quickly. And we can do this 3 times. There we go. So if I play this time, oh, he's following one of the Kodus. So I just need to change this. So if I just select this again, and I've got him following Kodu, I want to not follow Kodu. I want to follow the cycle. So I'm going to play it again. Oops. And oh. And he keeps tapping me. Of course, oh. Of course, the one thing I didn't put was on my own code. I need to then tell it to end the game. So down here, I said when it's bumped into Kodu, I also just want to say when he's bumped into me, into the octopus, I want the game to end as well. So if I play this, and then I've got to try and get away from both the octopus and the Kodu. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.